Okay, guys, I had a question about grouping. So first of all, the way you know to group is if there are four terms. So if there are four terms, then you group the first two together and group the last two together. And then what you do is you're going to look at the first two, just these to start with, and see what do they have in common? What's their greatest common factor? And if you look at these, it's x squared. So I'm going to pull x squared out of that. And then what you have left, x cubed, we take out x squared, that leaves us with x, plus 9x squared, we took out x squared, that leaves you with 9. Okay. Plus, because there was a plus in the middle. Then we're going to do the same thing with the second pair. What they have in common is 8, because 8 goes into both of those. So we take out the 8, and that leaves me with x, and then 72 divided by 8 is 9. Okay. Now what you should notice about grouping and what should always happen is what's in parentheses is the same. Okay. Those are both x plus 9. If that doesn't happen, then you did something wrong. So it's both x plus 9. So what we do is sort of think about taking that out because they have that in common. Okay. So we took out the x plus 9 out of both of them, just like we would a GCF. And then what we have left is this x squared plus 8. So you just do another set of parentheses, x squared plus 8. And that is your answer. So I hope that helps a little bit.